Imagine two people walking through the same city on the same day. One notices traffic, noise, rude people, and everything that's going wrong. The other notices opportunities, kindness, beautiful architecture, and moments of joy. They are in the same place. They are experiencing the same reality. Yet they live with completely different impression of the world. Why? Because your experience of life is not determined only by what's happening around you. It's determined by what you are paying attention to. Most people believe they need different circumstances to change their lives: a better job, more money, a different relationship, a different environment. But often the most powerful change happens when you change your focus, because attention is the lens through which you experience reality. And if you want to change your life, you must first change what you pay attention to. Have you ever noticed that when you learn a new word, you suddenly start hearing it everywhere? Or when you buy a particular car, you begin seeing the same model on every road. The car wasn't suddenly appearing more often. You simply became aware of it. Your brain works like a filter. Every second, millions of pieces of information compete for your attention. Your brain can't process everything, so it selects what seems important. And what determines what's important? Your focus. If you constantly focus on your problems, your brain becomes expert at finding problems. If you focus on reasons why you can't succeed, your brain will provide endless evidence. But if you focus on opportunities, growth, possibilities, your mind begins to notice that as well. Attention is like sunlight for mind. Whatever receives it tends to grow. Focus on your fears and they become larger. Focus on your insecurities and they become stronger. Focus on what you lack and you will constantly feel like something is missing. But the opposite is also true. Focus on progress and you will notice improvement. Focus on gratitude and you will discover abundance. Focus on solutions and you will begin finding answers. This doesn't mean ignoring challenges or pretending problems don't exist. It means choosing not to make them the center of your attention, because what occupies your mind eventually influences your emotions, decisions, and actions. And actions creates result. One of the greatest challenges of modern life is that everyone wants your attention. Social media wants it, advertisement wants it, new channels wants it, entertainment platforms want it. And many of these systems are designed to capture attention by triggering fear, outrage, comparison, or distraction. As a result, people spend hours focused on things that add little value to their lives. They know every celebrity, controversy, every negative headline, yet they spend very little time focused on their own growth. The truth is simple: where attention goes, your energy follows, and where your energy goes, your life grows. If you spend your attention on distractions, you will build a distracted life. If you spend your attention on growth, you will build a life of growth. Many people suffer not because life is difficult, but because they are focused on things they cannot control. The past, other people's opinions, unexpected events, things that have already happened. The more attention you give to what's beyond your control, the more powerless you feel. But when you shift your attention to what you can control, something changes. You can control your outcome. You can control your habit. You can control your attitude. You can control your response. And that's where personal power begins. Not in controlling the world, but in mastering your focus within it. Every day, your attention is making decisions. It is deciding what thoughts get repeated, what emotion gets strengthened, what habits gets reinforced, and ultimately, what kind of person you become. Success rarely arrives because of one dramatic moment. It usually emerges from thousands of small moments of focused attention. Attention to learning, attention to discipline, attention to improvement, attention to what truly matters. The person you become 5 years from now will be heavily influenced by what occupies your mind today. If there's one idea to remember from this video, let it be this. Your attention is your life. Where you place it determines what grows within you. So pay attention to what inspires you. Pay attention to what helps you grow. Pay attention to the people, ideas, and habits that move your life forward, because you don't always need a new opportunity. You don't always need a new plan. Sometimes the most powerful change you can make is simply changing what you choose to notice. If you want to change your life, change what you pay attention to. Because where attention goes, energy flows. And where energy flows, life grows.